Throughout the day, you're occupied with frenzied activities, having back-to-back meetings, workouts, daily chores eat up your entire day. Do not worry. If you're feeling stressed, here are some therapeutic practices from yoga that can help you energize. Yin Yoga has a ton of benefits, but most importantly, it helps you to just calm down, stay collected with your emotions and your feelings, and help you to reduce that stress you're dealing with every day. Today we're going to be discussing the importance of Yin Yoga, and I'm also going to be taking you through a few Yin Yoga postures, that is Supta Padangusthasana and Matsyasana. Yin Yoga is a very slow, restorative type of practice where you stay closer towards the ground. So if you're not a big fan of Vinyasa flow or other forms of yoga that are very fast-paced, this one is for you. Practice Yin Yoga when you feel tired and need energy, but also at the same time you're not looking for something too intense. So let's dive right into our first Yin Yoga posture, which is your Supta Padangusthasana, which is also called as your recline hand to big toe pose. This is an excellent pose to alleviate back pain. Through its actions, it can relieve compression and tension in the lower back. Also, practicing this posture on the floor is completely safe, as there's no chance you're going to lose balance, which is normally done when you're standing in this posture. Now, not all of us may have the hamstring flexibility to keep our legs straight up in the air or to grab our big toe. Don't worry, you can always use a yoga strap, or if you don't have a yoga strap, feel free to use a dupatta or a resistance band, anything that can help you relax a little better in this posture. Remember, Yin Yoga is not about pushing yourself to the maximum, we're just looking for a restorative stretch. So once you have your dupatta or strap ready, you can wrap it around your foot, grab it with your palm. We'll do it one leg at a time, holding for 1 minute, and if it's difficult to keep your legs straight, you can always bend and straighten, bend and straighten. After you're done doing it on one side, we're going to switch to the other. Let's get into our next posture for today, which is your Matsyasana. Matsyasana, or supported fish pose, is an excellent posture in your Yin Yoga practice. Traditional texts describe Matsyasana as the destroyer of all diseases. It stretches the hip flexors and the intercostal muscles between the ribs. Besides stretching, it also stimulates the belly muscles and the front of your neck. This is one of my favorite postures, especially during that time of the month. If you have 2 yoga blocks, you can bring them on the mat. Otherwise, feel free to use a blanket or a bolster. I prefer to practice it without props. All you're going to do is extend your legs in front of you, take your palms, tuck them under your hips, gently lowering down one elbow at a time, and you're just going to drop your neck back, allow your back to completely rest. Chest is up, relax your head completely, breathing deeply, and once again, like we do it for any Yin Yoga posture, you're going to hold the pose for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Yin Yoga practitioners often stay in poses for a little longer, but if you're new to this journey, you can stay here for up to 1.5 minutes and gradually increase the time as you progress. Matsyasana is an excellent posture for we've already said this. Your body needs to relax even after exercise. Feel free to take breaks in between these asanas and join back again. With these postures, we're done for today. I hope you found these yogic techniques to be helpful. Until then, bye-bye.